In this video, I'll show you how to get a Shopify free trial in 2026. First, visit the Shopify website and click Start Free Trial. You'll be asked to create a Shopify account using your email address or another supported sign-in method. Next, answer a few questions about your business, or choose to skip them if you prefer. Then, enter the name of your store and complete the initial setup process. After that, you'll be taken to your Shopify admin dashboard. During your free trial, you can customize your store, add products, install apps, configure payment methods, and explore Shopify's features before choosing a paid plan. Now, if Shopify offers an introductory pricing promotion after the free trial, review the available plans and select the one that best fits your business when you're ready to continue. Finally, before your trial ends, decide whether you want to subscribe to a paid plan to keep your store active. If you don't want to continue, make sure to cancel your subscription before any charges apply. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to get a Shopify free trial in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.